stopped by at the vet store to get Riley's food. So this is the size I normally buy. So I think they call this chow whatever. So our regular canned food is out. So I was told to try this. So I only got 2 pieces of this. So just to see if she likes it and she doesn't react. What I do is I mix little of our canned food plus the dry food. So I just mix them together. I know she'll finish this in a second or in a minute, but just so she eats, because her food ran out since yesterday and she has been so hungry. Hey baby. So yeah, what I got this meter. So I have a scale, rather I said meter. I have a scale I use in working. So but since that's hair stuff, I don't really need it. So I got this easy one because the other ones that I use for work, it's now 15 or 20,000 naira. I got this pin. One thing I love the most is my baking pans. Like, look at this. Yeah, this small one is 3,000 naira. Like, really, this small thing. So this small pan is 3,000 naira. I don't know how much he sold this for. I forgot it, but it's so dirty. It needs to be washed. So I think I'll be baking this size of bread. It should be fine for myself and my husband. But thing is, I can consume this size if it is too good. But since it's my first time, I'll be baking this size. The next time I'll be doing the 2. So we start. Then I got my cutter. I got plantain. I got 2 pieces. I got nutmeg. I saw the regular, nutmeg, but I don't think I have time to be grating a bit. So I got this. I don't know if it is skewer or skewer or something they call it. I don't really know. So I got this big size and I got the small size as well. I got brown sugar. Yeah, I wanted to make mine myself. I was like, nah, let me buy it. Okay, I just found out that my sugar wasn't added. Is it that I forgot to put it? Because it's a small shop, do you understand? So I was outside, I couldn't enter. Oh, oh my god, I don't have sugar. I'm out of sugar. I think I bought sugar because he had just little left, and I was like, okay, just add it. Since I just wanted to bake bread and cookies, he just add it. Read. So this is coconut powder and white vinegar. I have just little left. I got condensed milk. So this is my baking flour. So what's inside this nylon is chocolate chips. You know those little chips that are always inside cookies, like Maryland cookies and the rest, those chocolate chips. So that's what's inside this. And so this is dried fruit. I think that's that. The last one is meant to be my sugar. Maybe he didn't add it because it was not up to the size I want. I don't know. Why will you do that? If I had done that, I've gotten sugar from the supermarket at the estate. Bus stop rather. So I guess I just have to step out to go and buy sugar. And I don't have cash anymore. I think I'm only left with 200 naira, 500 naira, thereabouts. So I'm so pained. So I have to go and buy sugar. So I'll be back. So I'm back, and this was the only size that was available at the shop close to the house. So I think I should be able to. This should be enough, or more than enough, because I'm baking both bread and cookies. So I guess should be enough. Yeah, right. I divided it with this while it was hot, and yeah, this is how it looks, and it's so crunchy and delicious. It's so nice. I love it. I think I really do love it. I was really in a hurry to pull out some just to munch on to see how it looks. I wasn't careful. I broke this by mistake. But it's so nice. Like, you will love it. I think the next time I'm doing this, I'll be making a video just for everyone to see how I made this. But yeah, it's a lot. Hi, good morning. I was a night. Trust you slept well. So this morning I had to quickly bid for Riley. That's my puppy, and you know, groom her a little because she's so hairy and she has lots of tangled hairs all over. And what for breakfast? I think I'll be eating my oat cookies. Yeah, with I think a Nescafe. That's 3 in 1. Yeah, and what to do today? I think I'll be making like 3 weeks. Is it 3 weeks? Yeah, I'll be making 3 weeks and just make them, not styling them, just make them down. And continue with my pixie cut. I don't think I had it that in my planner, but I should be doing that today as soon as I'm done. Hi, good morning. Good morning, lovies. Okay, so I want to make homemade granola. I made my yogurt yesterday, and this is how it looks. So I made my own made yogurt. So I made use of this culture. So what you just need is just a simple thing. You just need your powder milk, you need your culture, and to sweeten it, you can either use your honey or your sugar, the white sugar. So or if you have an unsweetened yogurt at home, you can use a yogurt to make another yogurt. Okay, so that's that. So let's make our granola. Okay, so to make our granola, so some people might not know, the main ingredient is your oats. So you can use any brand of oats. So this is what I have. This is remaining from. This is what I have left from my oat cookies actually. So I'm making use of this and honey for sure, cinnamon powder. So I don't really have any dry ingredient on it. Being lazy to step out to get it, but I have coconut flakes right here at home, and I have my dry fruits just to spice it up a little so it doesn't look bare, sad looking granola. Okay, so let's make that together. So firstly, I'm going with my oil. So you can either use olive oil or coconut oil. So just pour in it. Not pouring too much. So I didn't measure this. My bad. And the next is I'll be going with 1 tablespoon of honey. So next is I'll be giving that a good stir. So this is going to be our wet ingredient. So I'm setting this aside. So next I'll be pouring 2 cups of oats. Try not to finish everything because I still want to. Sorry, I want to make another oat cookies. So I'm trying not to run out of that. And the next thing I'm supposed to do is to put my. So the next thing you want to put at this moment is your almond nuts, your cashew nuts, and all of that. Though I don't really like cashew nuts, I'd have preferred to just put only my almond nuts. But I'm busy and lazy to step out. So the next thing I'm just going to do is pour my wet ingredients into my oats. Stir. Stir baby, go. Stir baby. So this is what we have after stirring. So the next thing we want to do is just to spread it on our baking sheets on our pan. So you can either use your oven or you can use your stove. So I'll be using my oven. Here's my baking sheet. So what I just want to do is just to spread my So here's what we have after 50 minutes, and the next thing we have to do now is to sprinkle our coconut flakes and leave it for another 15 minutes in the oven. So here's what our granola looks. And the next thing we want to do is, so we are adding my dry fruits. If you have any toppings whatsoever you love to add, please go ahead. I'm just using what I have at home. I don't really have a lot of toppings for my granola at the moment. So I'm just using what I have. So after this, you do not need to put it back into the oven. You're done. So the only thing you need to do is just to let it cool off and you can use it, and it's ready. just so you know why it's looking more brownish than other regular granola is because I added a little more honey. I wanted it to be a little more sweeter. Sorry, I'm a sweet tooth, so I added more honey to it. That is why it's more brownish. And it all depends how you want. If you still want it to be a little whitish, like the regular color, you can just add little honey and that's it. So I added more honey to mine. That is why it's looking more brownish. Granola ready. So this is what I was talking about. This is my whole granola. Though I got this from the supermarket. You can see it's white, not really white, not pure white, but what I mean is lighter than this. So which will you go for? For me, I'll go for this because it's so tasty. This is just bare, but it's too good. So I only have this left. This is why I made mine, and I'll be mixing. You can see the same thing is what I used. They used, but not coconut. I don't know what kind of nut is this, but they used the nut and